Good afternoon. We're waiting for Tesla earnings report. Tesla earnings. Tesla was down 10.45 going into the report. Behind me here, I have a 3-minute chart. We're going to cover it. It's going to come out. We're going to see exactly how these numbers and exactly how the Tesla cars are selling or not selling. Okay, looks like we're getting some numbers print here at 3:15, and then all of a sudden 3:18, 3:15, 3:16. I don't have that news report yet, but you can see right here. You can see right here on this 3-minute chart on Tesla. Tesla's printing down there at 3:15, 3:16. That automobile maker. You know, we've been short this Tesla all along. And the thing about it is now it's at 317, 318. So I got to find out what the preliminary number is going to be. And we'll be back momentarily on the Tesla news, which is now gapping down to 318. Okay, you can clearly see 315.59. And this is the after hour earnings on Tesla, the big automobile maker. One of the thing about it is we're going to get those reports. We're going to see what kind of range that it has. It looks like it's going to pop up off of the bottom. There it is at 322. That's that 3-minute bar that we went down and we hit the lows. And we're printing now back at 320, 321 where it closed. Remember, it closed down $10.45. So it already had some of that bad news already priced in to going into this earnings release with Tesla Motors. So we can see right here, we're back to 317. You know, I'm going to try to find out what that preliminary number is for everybody. We're printing at 316, 315. It looks like it's going to drop like a rock. You can see right here on this 3-minute bar, it hit 323. We're printing at 312, 313. Yes, it is, and it is tanking, everybody. Just remember, we've been short this Tesla for a long time, and we have. And we're printing 310. We're printing 310. We're printing 310. Yes, we are. We're printing 308. We're printing 308. I'm going to get those numbers for you right now. That means that those put options are paying super big money. If we continue to go lower at $310, guess what? It's a great day. They had a slight beat on the revenue number, but not all of the report is released. But you can see right here, right now, we printed down to 308, and we're currently at 310. Look at this baby move. Look at it moved. And we talked about this thing had to come down, and we believed in our short position that we have on it. We were buying the put options. At the 355, the 350 strike, and then now today, the last print of the day was 321, and we're printing now at 310. As soon as I get some more numbers, then it's going to be live to you here and now. And after we're done here, we're going to cover Qualcomm. So we're bidding down here at 310. As soon as I get those other numbers, yes, it is a great trade. The put options are paying. Oh boy, do we love this one. To let everybody know, we're printing at that 307. These put options are paying. We had some of the 330s because the high of the day was 332. And we jumped right in there on the 335s. And then later in the day, with our big traders, our super big traders have piled in. And, you know, I gave out those orders to sell short, and that I also said early on that we would break below 300. And guess what? We are rocket. We just love it, man. We just love making money on it. And you know what? We were telling everybody you had to be short. You had to be short. All of our big traders, Tommy Two-Tone, Johnny the Watt, and all of them alike. And here we are at 306. I'm going to have to get more of the numbers as far as Tesla automobile automobile. I just love saying it that way. Put a little bit of fun in this, as it always is. So we're at 305, 306, 305. All right, here we are right now at 303. We're printing 303. And, we have a lot of big short sellers that are, bigger guys that are managing $1.5 to $2 million. I gave out this fucking short from day one. We're printing at 303. I don't have all the numbers, but all I know is that's a big trade. That's what we know. There's going to be a conference call that will come out on Tesla in about an hour, and all I can say is that it's doing what it should. And once again, those put options are going to pay big, big money, big, big money. Ring a ding ding.